again making another video. I know I made two in one day. Oh well, I guess. So, as you guys all know, we're getting our storm tomorrow, so I thought I would catch up while I'm ahead, so you guys have something to watch over the break, I guess. Okay, so here it goes. So you guys wanted to know how long I burp. I don't really keep track of it or record how long I can burp. So this is the first time I'm going to try to go long. Alright, here it goes. Bye. I just want to say thank you again to all my subscribers and people who like, comment, and, well, whatever you need to do, or share on Facebook.